Hey guys, welcome to Sparkle, Faith, and Glam. Welcome to my channel. Today we're back with another video. My name is Ashley if you're new to my channel, and this is my son Junior, and he's going to be doing my makeup today. And if you guys would like to see how he got this look and just did everything, and now he's dabbing on me. If you guys would like to see this look, then go ahead and continue to watch. Alright, so I separated it in categories because he knows like nothing about makeup. So first we're going to do primer.
Okay.
And I brought out like all of these primers. These are all the primers I have, so which one are you picking?
Which one is your favorite?
I can't tell you.
I'm gonna just use the one Faith used.
Okay, so Faith attempted to pick out that one. Do you know how to put it on me?
Not a clue.
Okay, well, you could figure that out because I can't really tell you anything. I just washed my brushes too.
I think I'm supposed to use a brush.
You don't remember what I did when Faith was around?
No, I didn't see it.
Oh. You don't remember from when you watched me do the no mirror challenge? No.
I'm gonna assume I use that actually.
Okay. So use whatever you think you're supposed to use.
So do I just go on like this?
Mm-hmm. Do you know where to put it?
Just your face in general, like the open spots, so like your cheek. Am I putting it on?
Yeah, but you're putting a lot in one spot.
Here, just spread it around. So I'm getting it on? Okay. I think I'm doing good. Okay, this thing drags, so okay, I think I put it enough.
Foundation because, oh no, we're doing eyebrows next.
Oh, so we're gonna need these. How do I use this with it?
I can't tell you.
This is taking so long.
Come on, you don't have to be so careful with it.
Okay, anyway, the camera cut off and you didn't get to see me put this on her.
Yeah, we didn't realize the camera shut off. So, are you done blending this out?
Yeah.
You're done?
I did not to blend that much.
Oh, we're not blending that much today. Okay. So
Because it's my first time, so I didn't want to overdo it.
No.
Let me just blend it out a bit. I don't know how blending works, so I'm just doing the best I can. There we go. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. Now.
Next we're gonna do concealer. So I have 4 concealers. Which concealer? He's gonna do me wrong. I got this concealer from Ipsy and it is so light on me.
As you can see, it is very bright. What the heck? Why did I choose this one? Okay. On the bright side, it's not dark.
It's not too bad. Set the face and set the under eye. So you can use either this one or this one.
Loose face powder or this one? This one because it looks weird on the picture.
Okay, that's the one I normally use. He's using the Coty Airspun.
Since 1935, original power. Or original for power. This smells nice.
Yeah, you like it?
Okay, so how do I apply this? Do I use a, oh. This one looks like the best one for the job.
What are you using with that?
The Flat Top Concealer by SK. I don't know what that's supposed to stand for.
But what are you concealing with that?
This.
Okay, go.
Do I just apply it on the under eye where I put the other stuff? Seriously, this smells so nice.
You like it?
How do you dust it away? Do you like blow on it? Then how do you dust it away?
You can use it like a brush that is like soft.
This brush is actually soft. Oh, that's...
Or a big fluffy brush
like the biggest one?
Yeah, or the biggest one.
There we go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to dust it off.
Okay.
I love the smell of this one. Smell it, guys. Just kidding. You can't smell it. That's up till the future. If that still exists, I'm gonna have you guys smell it. So this one.
That can work. You can be harder, rougher on.
Okay.
Does it? Does it not touch my face?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's because it wasn't. It's because it got too messy.
But the under eyes like that's fine. We're gonna do it's Physician's Formula, so.
It's colorful.
Wait till you smell it.
Smells like coconut.
Okay. What brush do you use? That you're gonna pretty much tan up my face.
I don't know what to use, so you can't even recommend any brush or anything.
Use this one.
That one is right for the job. It's not picking up. Oh, there you go. Your face is gonna be tan for once. This isn't really working.
Well, it's not supposed.
Oh, it's supposed to be like tanning oil, or it's supposed to like tan you.
No, just certain parts of your face. It's just supposed to make it a little darker.
Doesn't make a difference at all to me.
You can use this one.
Yeah.
Because then I use the real techniques.
Don't know why it's called that. Okay, yeah, now it's starting to look like it's making a difference. This is how I done the other one when I was rubbing. What was it again? This one? This one.
That's what. Oh yeah, he put the Ulta on my face. I forgot that they didn't see. Yeah, I wish you guys would have saw it. He put it on here, and he was like dragging it like it was a paintbrush, and he like, I don't know if you guys can see now, but he like left a big old chunk, and he was like, yeah, that's good. You don't need no more blending. You're good. So yeah, that was kind of funny.
I'm so good at it.
Okay. Are you done? Okay, now you can do blush.
Okay, this is the easy part.
I have.
I hope.
I have this one, the NARS. This blush that I got from somebody, and I've never used it because I don't know.
You just don't seem like it'll be very good.
No, it's not that I don't think it'll be good, but and then there we have a stick blush too. So which one are you gonna use?
I want to look at this. No wonder why it takes you so long to get ready. Oh.
Remember, you gotta look at it up here.
interesting. I'm gonna keep the theme.
Okay, so he's gonna use the Physicians Formula blush.
Butter blush.
Mm-hmm.
What is this sorcery? Wait, is there something under it?
It's like this little brush that it comes with, but I've never used it. Well, I tried using it, but...
No, I want to use it. It comes with the mirror for you.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you use?
No.
Oh yeah, because you got much bigger mirrors.
Sorry, the lighting keeps going all weird. It's like raining outside, or like wanting to rain, and then it's like sunny and shadowy.
It's like, I don't want to rain. Oh, never mind, I do. Okay, there we go.
Good?
Mm-hmm. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Next is... You want to do highlight at the end?
What's highlight?
The stuff that makes it pop.
Your lash?
No. Like a highlight, do you know, to make it... Like when I'm always like, dang, my highlight's popping.
Let's just do that one.
Okay.
Since we're just doing it under your eyes.
Not under my eyes.
Just
where do you think highlight goes? Show me.
I always thought it was under your eyes.
Okay, go put it wherever you want.
Okay, other eye. There.
Alright.
Okay, what's next?
So next we're going to do eyeshadow. I have a ton of palettes, so it's going to be up to him on what he wants to pick.
Ooh, a Morphe one.
I'm going to give him a minute to choose.
I'm going to go with Morphe.
Out of all of these?
Yeah.
You sure?
Any metallic looking ones?
You want to do Morphe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially since that's one that created your favorite palette.
Yep, he knows. He knows my makeup. Alright, so these you're going to use. This is the one that you were supposed to use for highlight, by the way.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Right,
so you're going to use any of these.
So any of these are good?
Except for this one. This one, no.
Aw.
That one's to dust your under eye.
Oh.
So he's going to go in straight in with this one. Straight in.
So on your eyelid? Okay, I accidentally put it a bit up, like right here. There we go.
That's all the eyeshadow you're going to do?
Let me see. I guess I could put a bit more so then it looks full.
Oh, I meant like that's the only color you're going to do.
Different purple. Okay, half of it is gonna be pink and half of it's gonna be purple. Messed up a bit right here and right here.
You want to do the bottom lashes or no?
Nah.
Okay. So next we can do... Do you want to do eyeliner?
What's eyeliner?
I know you don't like the bottom eyeliner, so you don't want to do this one, huh? Okay, so I'm going to do that one. Do you want to pick a color we're going to do?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so he doesn't want to do the bottom eyeliner, so I'm going to do it. What color do you want me to do?
Purple.
Okay.
Since I know it's your favorite color. Oh, no. That seems tricky. Do I have to do that part?
No, I told you I told him that you didn't want to, so I'll do it.
Oh, so you're just gonna do the eyeliner?
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
This is the e.l.f. eyeliner. Do you want to do eyeliner on top, like a line? You don't even want to try? No? Do you want to blend anything out on here in my eyes?
Yes.
Okay, you can use like this fluffy brush to blend.
So that'll take it out?
It'll like blend it so the colors go together and they're like smooth.
That looks good. Other eye, okay.
Oh, do you want to use this one or a Sephora? Sephora is Grandma's, and this one I got in Ipsy.
This one.
Okay.
So I use this.
Okay, that goes on my eyelashes. Do you want me to close them or do you want me to open them?
Close them.
Okay. So we have all these different lip colors.
And there's also some chapstick in there.
And chapstick too. So
Chapstick's considered lip now.
no. You gotta use a lip.
I found a purple.
He found a purple. Actually, your uncle and your aunt gave me this for Christmas. It's Ulta Matte Lip, and it's purple. Junior found the perfect one.
Ulta and purple. Plus gifted. Actually did surprisingly good.
Did you?
Okay, anything else?
No.
That was
You
fun.
did it. Oh, setting spray.
Oh, what's that?
Any of those.
Morphe.
Alright, so he's gonna use Morphe setting spray. So this is like the spray stuff that you spray on your face.
So did I just spray it? I had to use it. It was Morphe.
Alright, you guys. So this was the look he came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. In person, it really, I mean, like the eyeshadow is kind of crazy. This is what he came up with. Thank you, Bill.
You're welcome.
Love you.
You too. You should show it to my daddy when he gets home.
I will. Alright, you guys. So Junior's gonna do my outro for me.
My son does the makeup, my makeup challenge. And we're gonna do another video soon. And like and subscribe. Goodbye.
Peace.